Hello everyone, you can see by bit we are moving. We are getting used to the digital marketing strategies we can use to gain audience for our business. Now, how can we get thousands of views on Facebook? Facebook has more than 2 billion users and we want to get thousands of views in our that involves in our niche on Facebook. This is a button that is very powerful that can get us to thousands and thousands of people on Facebook. Let's just hit the button, but you have to pay. But it depends on your budget. Let's see people you choose. Let's edit target audience. Let's see. We are choosing all. It's not something like wedding photography which you choose. Yes, anything is no. You can also have maybe 13. 13 is great. 13 can love photography and tell you, hey mom, I love this photo. Then back out and then yeah. Then you choose 14 days. Then you choose 14 days. Then you choose USD dollars. Then yeah, then you can boost. There's something we didn't complete. Let's see. Let's see if we can change this. Let's use 100 as our budget. $100 as our budget. Then we can boost. Like submitting your promotion. You are not actually going to boost this post, but I'm just going to put you through on how to do it. The strategy. You can actually use the $10, but it's going to pay. So it's going to spend 71 cents per day. But that's not going to be very. It won't reach your target audience. With this $100, it will meet 57,000 people to 150,000 people per day. If you use $1,000, it's going to meet almost 570,000 people per day. So let's get started. Let's use United States. Then card number. You are going to put your card number here. Expiration, then security code. You are going to get it behind your credit card or billing zip code. You should know your zip code. But if you are not interested in credit card, you can use PayPal or any online banking. But PayPal, you can use PayPal. Then you can just continue. Let's try PayPal. It's going to bring this one guy here. Let me call. They are going to log in. We are not actually going to pay for that. I'm just putting it through. Then after that, and now let's start using hashtags. Hashtag is also very important in Facebook marketing, in all social media marketing. Actually, you use hashtag in Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn. Not actually LinkedIn, but you can also use it in LinkedIn, is Twitter, and every one of those. Let's have a post here. Like I said, happy Thanksgiving. Just another photo. The friendship day. Then you can just hashtag family, hashtag podcast. this a neutral hashtag, then you're not going to photograph hashtag, photograph hashtag, photography. But this is the longer version for photography, so you can just simply search on Google on photographs best hashtags for photographs. Then get some. You get some posts. You can also use this Instagram hashtag for your Facebook because it's similar. People on Instagram can search on Facebook the same hashtag and they will find your posts. Then let's see. Hashtag guide. That's photography. If your photo is in portrait, you can find this. If it's in general photo, you can use the word shots. Photography everyday, but ours is in landscape. Let's use this. Then copy, then paste here. Then we are going to post, publish. Then it will be live. Then you can also boost this post. Then you do it with you have $50 budget. You can also change it to $10. You can change it to 2 cents, but the higher the money, the higher the people it reaches. Then you can see it has reduced there just because you've opted for it once, so it cannot keep up boosting different posts at the same time. So maybe because it reduced just because another person from another country just boosted, or so it will minimize the number of people that will see these posts. So for this lecture, that's all for this lecture about making your post reach thousands of people. You boost posts and use the power of hashtag. That's one of the best ways you can reach thousands of people. And you can also find some other ones anywhere on when you search on Google, but these are the best ones I can recommend for you. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Bye bye for now.